Hi, this is Jimmy Fikes, and I'd like to take just about 1 minute of your time to give you an example about how to use the third version of our Homeroom app. I'm going to select a student here who is already in my homeroom, so he won't be surprised about getting this message. But what I'll do is I just come to the column where it says selection date, and then I'm going to hold down the control key and then tap on the semicolon. And that puts today's date in that field called selection date. And then for the requesting teacher, I'll simply type my name, and then I select the date that he's needed, and I'll just tell him tomorrow. And when I enter the when needed, Wednesday, then the date that he's needed shows here in the dates needed column. And this date in the dates needed column is based on the selection date that you enter here. But you can only enter today's date. You cannot enter yesterday or tomorrow or anything here in this date. You could type this in, but it's a lot easier just to use the control and the semicolon keystrokes, and that will enter it in there. It will always be exactly the right date, and everything will go through, and then you'll just click on send that message, and it'll come up and give you the opportunity to review it and just send it, and that student has it. Now, if you use all of these steps that I've shown you, then every message that is sent is being collected in our archive. Whenever a message is sent, then if it does not go through to the student, then it kicks back to us, and then we'll have a record of that. And what this does is that it prevents a student from being able to deny that they got that email. And so be sure you fill them out like this, send the message, and that helps us to know that the message went out correctly. It gets archived as a backup, and it lets us know whether or not that student got that message.